I'm walking out instead of walking in. I don't know if anyone did turn up eventually, but let's just shift our focus to something more, you know, important in the end of the day. Important, ladies and gentlemen. So, right. Do you want to bring my video? Yeah.
In your
Video?
So I've arrived. Thank
Yeah?
you.
Do you?
We're in a rush of going.
Okay, fine.
You're a hostage. Yeah.
None of that. None of that. You know what? This is how it is. Can you move away from the center? Because I don't want you to be in my video. I'm going back in because this is my hour. It's my hour. And I can do whatever the fuck I want with it. Good. I want to spend some quality time with myself in my venue. And whoever said that this isn't better, I mean, I don't mean to be sort of I don't want to sound weird, like I don't like people or something, but there's nothing more soothing than this right now. Check this shit. It doesn't smell, just to give you an update, and also you can hear the silence. Yellow lighting. Can't get any better than this, essentially. My accent can. Or can it? My hair probably can. My soul, though. Right, so let's be on the mic. Mic. Ah, this is too good. So I'm here in my venue, and it's that no-show that I've been so anticipating. If anyone is in the house right now, make some sound. Oh, this is good. Is anyone from Liverpool? No, I need to change angle because my tooth is just annoying me. So this is going to be the angle from now on. Anyone from Scotland? No. Anyone from Australia? Anyone from Jamaica? No. I don't want to make a joke about Greece because of the fires. Right. What else is there to do? Like in terms of crowd participation. So, my whole show, by the way, is a crowd participation. And this is the moment to say that it is in a subway venue, 69 Cowgate, every day at 3:45. In the day, not as in like early morning of the next one. No. 3:45, 15:45. I never thought of that as a potential reason for misunderstanding. This is good. So, I like a mic in my mouth. Lovely. What else can I say? I am holding the thing with one hand, which kind of limits artistic expression, but also it comes to show you only need a phone and a brain. With one brain cell. This is improv. Do you really need people though? Is it art? Is it art if there's no people to see it? That is the question. If no one ever sees this video, is it art? Did it even happen? So, today we're gonna demonstrate all the things you wanted to do with a mic and you couldn't. Disgusting. You know where this is going? Oh! Alright. So, I have the mic here. I'm taking it for a walk. That's all I ever wanted to do with a mic. And not like fart in it. I'm not going to. So it's not my mic anyway. If it was my mic, things would be radically different. So, what about you, sir? Yes, you. Oh, or I could call it Ghost Town, which is essentially a town full of ghosts. So, my boyfriend, because I have a boyfriend, he keeps explaining to me all the jokes. So if he was here, he's in Greece now, he's a firefighter, I'm joking. So he would say something about explaining to me the joke of Ghost Town. The joke with this mic though is that I needed to come closer to the imaginary people and it doesn't. What is one to do? I can move the chairs. Alright, so what do you have to say? What do you have to say for yourself? Me? Me? Oh, I've been a ghost since 1964. I'm a nice looking ghost. The other ghosts can see me, children can see me, and animals can see me, and insects. And mites can see me. So I'm just here watching your show every day, and it's actually hilarious. What? Thank you, ghost. Also, there seems to be a ghost in the bathroom right now doing some ghost washing. Actually, ghost already washed the hands, now ghost is drying the hands. Who else do we have? Tom Hanks. What? He's in Greece. Patrick Swayze. Ooh. Patrick, how is it possible that I actually see you? I know you're dead. You see me because I was a ghost once on TV, and once you play a ghost on TV, then other actors can see you. But I'm not an actor. You could say I'm a comic actor. I'm a comedian. I'm a chameleon. This is too much. I'm actually a clown. I'm actually clownfish. I'm actually a dead clownfish. And how can you see me? Me. Right. Αποστομωτική απάντηση. Google it. Right. So, who else do we have? Tina Turner. Anna Vissi. It's a Greek actress. No, a musician. I mean, she's alive though. Okay. I think I need some water. Cats. Cats is like a joke that had been happening instead of a tech. So people look at the cats and they pay attention to the cats and they go like, and then I do what there is to do. So as we speak, I am stopping this video, but I will start it again.